Alright guys, GoPro has dropped a new action camera for us in September for at least, 6 or 7 years in a row now. So we expect the GoPro Hero 12 to come out next month. Here's what we know so far from leaks. Tech Insights over on Twitter dropped this leaked image and a few others. So it appears that the 12 is going to keep the same form factor as the 9, 10, and 11, which I love. I think it was pretty perfect. It's not too big, but it's got the screen on the back, screen on the front. It's got the little arms built into the bottom. I think they pretty much perfected that. Don't care if they change it. But the big news is, instead of saying GoPro Hero 10, 11 right here on the side, it says 1 inch. That's right. The GoPro Hero 12 could be coming with a 1-inch sensor. GoPro's weak point has been low light for years, and that's because of that small sensor. And for action cam, for action footage in the daylight, the GoPro had been fine with its 1 by 1.9 inch sensor, but it's starting to look kind of small because it's got a smaller sensor than the Osmo 4, and the new Insta360 has a 1-inch sensor option as well. So GoPro needed to up the ante, and this should definitely help the GoPro in low light situations. Urban explorers, people like that, home video, you're gonna love it. In addition to that, from the screenshot from the back, it looks like we're getting a 4K 240 mode, which is gonna be great for moto guys, especially moto guys that wanna go out and just film their moto, or film certain, like a hot lap or something like that. What that 4K 240 is going to do is let you film in super high res 4K, but then slow it down, and it's going to keep that buttery smooth. You're not going to get that chop because you have plenty of frames even at that high resolution. It's probably going to run hot. But for one moto, you'd probably be okay. Rumor is that this GoPro may be able to shoot 8K. On the Hero 11, we've got 5.3K was the highest to go. This is 5.3K, 30 or 60, I can't even remember. But this one may be able to do 8K. We don't know yet. Now, there aren't a lot of devices you can even view 8K on, so if they could, it would be purely one of those things like they did with 5.3K on the last one, just to say they were able to do it. Now, I don't cover a lot of tech over here, but I feel like these action cameras are relevant to the whole moto community, so I like to keep you guys updated on these. I obviously get these as soon as they drop every year, so I will be keeping you guys posted. If you have any other action camera questions or comments, you want to know why I don't use the DJI Osmo 4 or 3, just leave it down below.